just just hunting for the fish. Little tip for you, this is the brand new Bobby Garland Slab Hunt'R, and I'm getting short strikes, right? So what I've done is I've taken my scissors and I'm cutting it down at one of the ribs. Just taking my scissors, cutting the head section off of it, making that a little bit a smaller profile bait. They're liking that tail, but they're missing it, so I'm gonna cut it down and see if that doesn't help. There he is. Oh, there was another one down in there. There's two of them. Spooked him. I had to work him. Old Slab Hunt'R. Golly, those are just beautiful fish. Something else, another cool bait that I actually cut my fish on. Used all 1/8 ounce heads, Crappie Pro heads. Something else that I used was the new Slab Hunt'R, and it's so big, and I was getting those short strikes. I would actually take this thing, and I was cutting the head of the bait off, and making that thing a little bit smaller profile, but still have that cool tail. So that was the baits that we used today during our fishing.